This is the world's largest diesel engine. At 90 years old, it is still generating residual heat. This engine, completed in 1932 and operating in 1933, has occupied the world's top spot for over 30 years. It measures 24.6 meters in length, 12.5 meters in height, and weighs 1,400 tons. With a maximum power output of 22,500 horsepower, it consumes an entire gas station's worth of fuel per 100 kilometers. This engine features an 8-cylinder design and operates on an opposed piston, 2-stroke diesel engine configuration. Despite its immense horsepower, it wasn't utilized in high-tech fields. Its historical purpose was power generation in Copenhagen's natural gas power plant. After over 30 years of service, it was retired in the late 1960s and is currently on display in a museum in Denmark. It is open to the public for free 2 days a month. So, how could the manufacturer produce such a massive engine 90 years ago? The Danish company, founded in 1855, became one of the world's top engine manufacturers over the decades. In 1980, it was acquired by the German company MAN. While this engine held the top spot for over 30 years, it unquestionably no longer holds that title. The current largest engine is a straight 14-cylinder engine with a displacement of 25,500 liters. It measures 26.6 meters in length and 13.5 meters in height and can produce 107,389 horsepower and 7,603,850 Newton-meters of torque. Do you know which engine it is?